man, look at this. I'm here at the guy's house, ready to work. Garage is locked. You know, see, this is what's been holding us up, man. I've been waiting on this guy for so long, and he just ain't ever home no more.
Where's your stand at?
I know, right? Oh, it's in the fucking car.
God damn, dude, where's your charger? No battery, no stand. Hey, this guy ain't motivated no more, dog. That's the problem.
Nah. So here we are. We're back. I think every video, we're back, right?
Oh, right. Fuck.
So right now we got the oil pump on right here. I'm trying to work on getting the gears there. This guy says he's a professional welder, so we're gonna check out them beads. This guy's over here saying I'm not prepared.
Hey, here, go put this in the sun for a little bit.
In the sun?
Yeah.
What the hell does that do?
Solar-powered helmet, dog. Damn.
This guy, solar-powered helmet.
Get with the program,
Thinks
dog.
he's living in the future.
Get with the program.
Solar-powered helmet. Here we go.
I might be here somewhere, man.
I gave this guy one job. Now we lost all the boats. This is his timing chain.
Mm-hmm. The thing is I don't know where the boats are at.
Boo.
See, guy?
Boo.
No, I'm on a hunt.
Let me see.
Let's see where the hell you left all this shit at.
Boo. Look at this.
Trash.
Man, this is
This is what happens when you get no help.
this is a damn. This is a hot mess we got going on over here. Let's watch this guy go to work.
Once we put this thing in here, man,
We're set.
it's hard,
Drop.
it's hard to drop out. So
Drop it in and start it up. Is that the right way it goes? Does it go on that way or the other way? Does it matter? They look the same?
look the same, man.
You sure? Nah, you lying. I already know. I can already see right here, dog. I can already see right here, dog. They ain't the same, dog. You know what, man?
What?
You're doing all right. What you looking for now? Your brain?
Take it off after we put this shit on. Man, I'm scared, dog. Scared. One thing I'm scared of is you bailing again. Hey, shots fired, dog.
Die.
That's it, dog. That's time.
Alright, that's time, dog. That's time.
Alright, guys. Till next vid. Next
Alright,
year.
next year. New project.
About to go subscribe to some other homies and shit.
Yeah.
Hey, I need
Catch me on my new channel, dog. You'll see, dog, at the beginning of this video.
Fuck, you're gonna be the first one to drive it and take off with
You'll
it.
you'll understand. You'll understand.
What's the torque on these?
Yeah.
Comment that torque, dog.
Comment that torque.
Somebody has to.
Somebody put the torque specs in the comments.
Fucking guy. Yep.
I touched the metal or what?
Yep. As soon as you squeeze the trigger, hold on. Hey, take two, dog.
Take two. Ready?
Go for it.
That's that.
Press the trigger a little bit.
Again or what?
Yeah, hold on. Wait. So if you get too close, you're gonna burn out the tip. So you don't want your metal to burn out. You don't want it to weld into your tip.
All right.
So that means you're too close.
Okay.
So stay a little bit far away from it. I know it's gonna change the position, but if you look at this right here, you don't want to like be on contact with it, because if you're like this on it, you're gonna weld your tip to that. So you want to kind of like a 10th, man, like a 16, kind of like what that is right there.
Okay.
And you kind of just glide it. I know you're gonna shift positions here, but you gotta kind of guide it in there.
Okay.
Don't stick it, because you're gonna see how the tips are starting to weld in that shit.
Okay.
I don't have no more tips, so if that one goes to shit, you gotta wait.
Ready?
Go for it. Damn, alright. There's not much on there, but not too bad.
Ain't burn through though, right?
Nah, it's good. Try it again. Let's see.
Cool.
Hold on, wait. Let's see.
Oh shit, with these.
What is it? It's out. It's okay. So when you start, you want to push it into where you want it, and then that's where you leave it. Don't push it in all the way, because like I said, it's gonna fucking melt on it. So when you start, you push it in to where you want it, and just leave it there, guide it in there like that. Take three, dog. Take three.
Take three. Oh shit.
Too close?
No,
It's all right. That's the way it's supposed to stay because you're getting rid of that material. So you need to just guide it in there and keep going.
Ready?
Okay, go for it. Nice. Too bad. You ready to weld the real thing now or what?
Do it.
I'm just gonna put a spot on it, man. I don't think we need to.
Yeah, just put a spot.
So here we are with the oil pump. Throw a little bead on the.
You practice this.
All right.
Ready?
Tell me when you're gonna start.
I'm gonna start.
All right.
Cool, right?
What do we got?
It's not too hot. What do you think? Let me go.
I think it's pretty good.
See?
Shit, I don't know. I don't know what's about welding though.
Let me try. Let me try it low. Both sides.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. I don't know, man. That's nice. At least it looks nice. I don't know.
Yeah. Trash.
Practice. Thanks, Mike. Shout out your boy, dog.
Shout out, boy Mike.
Shout out Cornelius, dog.
Hey, that's my homie, dog.
Shout out Cornelius. This one's for you, dog.
Hey,
This
that's-
beat's for you, dog.
That's my homie, dog. Hey, he's a welder too, bro. He's probably gonna judge the fuck out of me. on this one,
He's
dog.
probably like these fucking rookies. Fucking not even, dog.
Hey, he said grab her booze a Smurf cutter,
Hey,
dog.
Papa Smurf, dog, in the works.
Hey, no judging, dog.
No judging. Here we go.
Shit, dude.
This guy done weld the whole thing or what?
That's real.
What happened?
We're running hot, dude. Fuck it.
All right.
Ready?
Full blast. Yeah.
Ready?
Hold on, hold on. What's it look like?
Like shit.
Let's see.
It looks like shit.
Hell yeah. Looks like Mike took a.
It's looking like Mike's fucking basketball shorts, dude.
As long as it don't move.
Yeah. We put one on this side.
All right, go ahead.
That worked, dog.
Hell
enough?
yeah, there we go.
Close enough?
Close enough.
Hell yeah.
Good enough for government work. Hi, D.
That's it, man. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. What's going on over here, man? Rock arms or what? Push rods and rock arms?
That's it, man.
Push rods and rock arms. Got a little, what do we got here? Various solvents and,
We're fucking rookies at this all
Hell
over
yeah.
again, bro.
we just got some various solvents over here. We're trying to clean the organic matter on the push rods here so that we ensure a sterile environment for the.
Shut the fuck up, this guy.
There we go, man. We got some rock arms on there, some push rods going in. You know, just winging it.
So, now the problem is that we need to find the bolts.
Need all the bolts? Yes, sir.
I'm gonna tack it, dog. I'm gonna put a fucking weld on each
Put a
one.
bead on it, dog.
Yeah.
Just throw some beads on it.
These on, I gotta find the bolts now.
Fucking rock arm. What bolts? The bolts or the nuts?
The nuts. Go look for these nuts.
You gotta be
Hey!
precise, dog, with what you say.
Sorry, man. Hold
I'm
on.
just playing. We don't want to confuse these
Hey, you see
these
this?
people that are here trying to learn.
Hey, you see all this shit?
What happened?
Where are the bolts? Where are the nuts?
Where are the nuts? That's a good
Yeah,
question.
I know most of you guys are fucking joking right now when I say that.
7 months later, I gotta tell you the truth.
7 months. It's almost about a year, bro.
We sold the Chevy and we bought ourselves a bunch of broken Chevys. Check this out. Nah, we're at the junkyard. We're here gonna pull a torque converter. This guy right here says that used torque converters are new torque converters.
They work.
They work. So we're gonna try to pull this one here because a lot of the work's done for us, and hopefully we can get it off.
Yesterday,
I'm too zoomed in here, bro.
check it out. This is where I got so far. Just to let y'all
This
know
is
where I got after about a year of this guy just avoiding me. And hey, man, you know, this is where we're at, guys. Check it out.
So here we got the valve covers on. He got the timing cover on. You got the timing gear in there and everything, right?
Yeah,
Let me find out timing gear's missing.
I think I put it in.
Got the oil pan, oil gasket, motor mount, and we're getting these exhaust manifolds fitted up right now. He went out and he was generous enough. As you guys saw, we were at the junkyard trying to get ourselves a torque converter, but he was generous enough to buy a new torque converter instead.
Yeah, because
So-
that one at the junkyard was not
Caca.
working. Yeah. Oh.
Caca. All right, so we're gonna end it off here today. We didn't record much. I didn't bring my other camera to throw a little time lapse, but here we got the engine. We got the valve covers on, the exhaust manifold, put on the spark plugs. I was over there cleaning the intake manifold. It's pretty gross, and yeah, we got a lot to work with here. So we'll get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get to it.
We'll get to it.
That's a good one, right?
Just give me about another 7 months. What do you say?
About a
I'll
year.
be back.
I'll give
I'll
you
be back.
A year.
I'll be back. See you in the next vid.